Hello Superuser, so someone asked me the other day in the comments how you can double note values in Finale, because when they tried selecting everything, going up here to Utilities, Change, Note Durations, and set it to double the note values, they noticed that yes, the note values actually were doubled, however, all the dynamics and all the chords were in the same positions. And so if you're doing this for large swaths of music, this can be really annoying to have to go back and fix all the dynamics, chord symbols, or other non-note entries you may have. Luckily, it's actually really easy to fix. So instead of using the built-in changing the note values function, we're going to use a JW plugin called JW Rhythm and Meter. Links in the description to download it and how to install it if you don't have it already. So we're going to come up here to Relative Meter Change, Double Meter, and as you can see, 4/4 measures are going to turn into 8/4 measures. Hit Apply and close, and now you can see, yes, all the note values are successfully doubled. However, we still want it to be in 4/4. So we're going to just come back up here and just change the time signature back to 4/4. And there you have it. The entire score is now doubled in note values with all the dynamics and all the chord symbols in their correct locations. So if you found this video helpful, make sure to share it with one friend so that way they don't have the same problems. And each week I post new content on how to use Finale to its fullest, so if you don't want to miss out on any of those, make sure to hit the subscribe button and ring the bell so you get notified every time a new video comes out.